Hard. Have you seen your teacher do this at school and wondered how? Do not worry, there is an easy method to do this. 88 is just hanging in there. Convert it into a fraction by making 88 the numerator and 1 the denominator. Now move the equal sign a bit further to make room. Now combine them together. Notice both 325 in the numerator part and 275 in the denominator are both divisible by 25. So divide both the numerator and denominator by 25. Remember, if you divide the numerator by a number, you must divide the denominator by the same number. Now let's look at the top part. Divide 325 and 25. Write the result 15. In the bottom part divide 275 by 25 and write the result 11. Voila! Did you notice that too? Both 88 in the numerator and 11 in the denominator are divisible by 11. Now you know what to do. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 11. 88 divided by 11 becomes 8 and 11 divided by 11 becomes 1. Now that we simplified as much as possible, let's multiply.
If that was confusing, do not worry. You need to be clear on these topics. We have you covered. Go to our channel, The Grace of Learning.
Check the last digit of any number. You can choose any number, big or small. If it ends with 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. That means, if you divide that number by 5, the remainder would be 0. 5 completely divides that number. Similarly, check the last two digits of any number. If the last two digits are 25, 50, 00, or 75, then that number is totally divisible by 25.
Remember, education is a blessing. Please like and subscribe for more.